Engineering technology is rapidly reshaping the construction industry, bringing about improvements in efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Modern tools and digital solutions are streamlining traditional processes, allowing projects to be completed faster and with greater precision. Building information modeling, BIM, for example, enables architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate seamlessly on a single digital platform, reducing errors and costly rework. Drones are now commonly used for site surveys and inspections, providing real-time data and high-resolution images that help managers monitor progress and identify issues early. Robotics and automation are transforming tasks such as bricklaying, concrete pouring, and even demolition, reducing reliance on manual labor and minimizing workplace accidents. Prefabrication and modular construction, made possible by advanced manufacturing technologies, allow building components to be produced off-site under controlled conditions. This not only speeds up construction timelines, but also improves quality and reduces material waste. 3D printing is another breakthrough, enabling the creation of complex structures and custom components that would be difficult or impossible to produce using conventional methods. Additionally, wearable technology and IoT sensors are enhancing worker safety by monitoring environmental conditions and tracking equipment usage in real time. Data analytics and artificial intelligence are being used to optimize project scheduling, predict maintenance needs, and manage resources more effectively. As engineering technology continues to evolve, the construction industry stands to benefit from greater productivity, lower costs, and a reduced environmental footprint. These advancements are not only changing how buildings are designed and constructed, but are also setting new standards for innovation and excellence across the sector.